Morning, you guys. Welcome back to the vlog. Happy Saturday. What time is it? I guess it's like afternoon. It's almost noon. I apologize for my stuffiness. I am sick yet again. I don't even know. I am so tired of being sick, but we are pushing through it because I really want to decorate today. We're about to go get everything out of the garage and then start decorating. I went grocery shopping yesterday, and then, as you guys saw, I'm sure, for my niece, for Christmas, we got her this doll that has like a little unicorn headband. She's like obsessed with like rainbow unicorns right now. And then she's also obsessed with horses, so we got her this little horse to go with the doll. And then Cody he went and got her this little nutcracker. Very cute, but I'm sure that she's gonna love it. So we're actually going to my parents on Monday night. I only have to be in the office one day this week, so I'm gonna go on Monday. And then when I get home, we're just gonna head out to my parents, and we'll be there through next Sunday. We'll come home. So that'll be super nice. And then I probably won't be back down there before Christmas, so I'm trying to like get the gifts stocked out so I can take them down with us when we go on Monday. So got that all taken care of. And then I came home from work on Thursday. They actually sent me home sick, and Cody was doing like a full purge. So we got rid of a ton of stuff. He took a bunch of stuff to Goodwill yesterday, and then we just did a dump run this morning and took a bunch of stuff to the dump. And then he got rid of so many shoes. He had these shoe racks free, so we like donated the ones I had because they were just cheap little like plastic ones, and these are nice, like legit ones. So put all my shoes on those. And then I'm actually getting rid of this mirror. I have they're supposed to come today to pick it up, and then I'm gonna get the black arched full-length mirror from Walmart, but I'm probably gonna have to order it, and will be gone when it says it'll be delivered. So I'll probably order it while we're at my parents', so it'll be delivered like the day or the day after we get home. We're gonna go get all the stuff out of the garage and start decorating. Okay, so I'm going to move all of this stuff and put up our village, our little Disney village that we got here. So I need to put this back in the other room. And I got these at the dollar store yesterday, and I like them, but I don't know why I got the white candles instead of the like beige color. And I feel like they look too Halloween-y with the white, so I'm gonna get the other ones. But I just thought that the little candle holders were cute for literally $1. And then I also got this little guy from the dollar store too. He's supposed to hold a candle, but I thought it was just cute just to have. Last time I did this, I dropped my candles, so take them off this time. Yes, we have the like fake snow. And here is the little Disney village we got. And Okay, so here is where we're at with the entertainment center. I tried using those little black hooks I showed you guys in the last vlog that I got, and they did not like clip to, so they like clip on like this, and they were way too loose. They just fell right off. So went back to our good old trusty sparkly guys, which I don't totally love anymore, but they will work for this year. I might just get some of the little black plate ones like that and use those, go forward. But here is the entertainment center, and then I think it is like mass chaos in here right now. I'm making a bag of stuff to get rid of that we just never use. Here is the little village setup. And then I have these like pillow covers I'm gonna put on the pillow cushions. The couch is a mess right now. So I'm just trying to like, we have a lot of stuff we don't use, so I'm just trying to organize as we go. And then I love this little train I got, but I honestly have no idea where to put it. So I need to figure that out. Maybe I'll put it up there. I don't know if you guys can see up there, but I don't, it might be too big. What do you think, Moosey? Oh, the travel ornaments. What, you got this little guy last year?
Mason Murphy, the starting right guard, their starting right tackle.
Okay, so I got Mickey all put together. He's massive. Oh god. He keeps scaring me. He's motion censored. He's so big, but there's nowhere else for us to put him where he would like not be totally in the way. But I'm curious to see how Moose will react to him. But anyways, okay, so we got the village with all the lights on now. And then obviously got him set up. We got the tree. And we have this little like letters to Santa. And then I started doing bows, which I'll show you guys in a minute how I make those. Have our little elf. Stockings. And then I just have, it's like a work in progress, but I just have our candle with our little coasters and salt and pepper shakers. And then this wreath, I got the wreath I think from Michael's, and then Sasha and I a couple years ago like made our own. So you can just buy the plain wreath with all the little things and like make them yourself if you want. And then the bathroom, just super simple. We have like our little soap dispenser, just the towel, and the little Christmas tree. And then I really wanted to use this because I just got it this year. We are like running out of space for everything we have. So I just put it in here on my dresser because I thought it's super cute. And it like sings and lights up and everything. Is about it for decorating. I'm gonna wrap these gifts for my niece, and then I'll show you guys how to make the little bows on the tree, which I'm just tying them and then just setting them on the tree. I've seen people put little wires through them so they can like hook them on there, but I think they're working just fine just like setting them on there. So I'll show you guys how I do that. Okay, so how I've been making these bows. Let's get this open. So I have been leaving one end on the spool just so it's easier, and then there's two different ways you can do it. I've been doing it like this, so you take your ribbon and fold it over like this, and then you cross it over kind of like you're tying a tie, and then take this side, make a little loop, and then tuck that through, and then you just pull and kind of mess with it. Would you like to give a tutorial on your way? And then just kind of mess with it. Or Cody did bunny loop. Maybe you should show them. You twisted it? You do it! I don't know how you did it. Loop. Loop. Oh, like that. And then... Wait, was that it?
Introducing Discover Cashback, a checking account with cashback for everyone.
More or less? Okay, well, when Cody did it, it looked a lot cuter than this. Yeah, right? Like that, which that probably was not helpful. So bunny loop, and then you twist them and pull one through like you're tying your shoes, kind of. Okay.
How some people tie their shoe.
That's what I just said. I don't tie my shoes like that, though. You pull it through.
You want to go Red Robin?
Oh, sure.
Watch like the first half of the video.
Oh, there. These ones I feel like look a little cuter. Yeah. Ta-da! So, if that was at all helpful.
You're not okay to drive. Don't drive bus.
And then I've just been trimming. Oops, sorry. Let's see. I've just been trimming the little corners.
What you guys are having?
Like that.
I want this big one to do this. She's smart.
Like that. And then I just, where do I want it? Kind of. I'm gonna go the other way. And I just kind of, okay, this is really hard one-handed, but just set it in there. So this is where we're at. I need to like move them around a little bit, but like this one could probably go down here. Yeah. Cute. Alrighty, well, I guess we're gonna go to Red Robin for dinner, and then when I get home, I'll probably wrap those gifts for Sutton. You don't like Mickey? You see Mickey?
that St. Nicholas soon would be there.
Otherwise available to call a timeout, and Matt Campbell takes the opportunity to extra freeze with a big smile.
What do you think?
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish.
What's up, guys? Happy Sunday. I look like a mess, but I have just been watching football, doing laundry today. We were supposed to have people come over, Cody's aunt and uncle and cousins, but they ended up staying home, so now it's just me, Cody, and his dad home. So just been hanging out. We've been doing laundry, and yeah, I'm making this dip. I wanted to show you guys, which I actually need to stir it. But it's so good. I can post the recipe down below. But basically, it calls for ground beef, but I like to use sausage, and I use the hot sausage normally. It just gives it a little bit of a kick. But you just like brown the sausage, put it in there, and then add the Velveeta, like the block. Cut it up and throw that in there, and then Rotel, a little bit of chili powder, and garlic salt, and then just put it in the crock pot on high for 2 hours and mix it up, and then you eat it with tortilla chips. It's super good. Kind of just like a sausage Rotel Velveeta queso, I guess. But anyways, I'll post that recipe down below for you guys. It smells so good. It's almost ready. I think it has 17 minutes left on it. So, making that, and then I'm actually going to make some little snowman cookies that I got, which I was going to make them yesterday, but we ended up going out to dinner and stuff, so I didn't make them. But yeah, that's kind of all the plans for today. It's gloomy and rainy outside, so good football day. I do need to go pack for my parents this week because I'm going into the office tomorrow, and then as soon as I get home, we're planning on like loading up the car and going. So I just want to get my bag packed today so that it's ready to go as soon as I get home. And then I'm obviously still congested, but I can actually like breathe out of both sides of my nose today. I'm just a little bit sniffly, but I'm like so tired of being sick. I know it's just that time of year, but we were both sick like right before Cody had his surgery, and then now I already have it. Well, not the same thing. I think we had COVID last time, and this time I think it's just a little head cold, but I'm just so tired of being sick. So anyways, I'm gonna go make these cookies and finish doing laundry, pack, and try and get this vlog up for you guys, and then I'll be starting a new one once we get to my parents, so probably like maybe Tuesday or Wednesday, and then taking it through the weekend. Yeah, I'm super excited to go spend some time with the family, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little holiday vlog. Happy Thanksgiving, and I'll talk to you guys next time.